bonus video. So for those of you who get done and we're waiting on classmates to finish up their changes assignment, I'm going to teach you how to add text to an object in Autodesk. So we'll just we'll put some text on here. I'm going to say Start 2D Sketch. I'm going to click on the top surface here. Then we're going to use this text tool. We've used the circle tool and the rectangle tool already. We're going to use this. We're going to click anywhere on this object, and we're going to type what we want it to say. And then we're going to press OK. First thing you notice is that it's crazy tiny. So you're still in text tool. This little cursor right here, those crosshairs, that shows you that you're still in text. We want to get out of text. Say OK. We're going to zoom in, double click on it, and that'll open up what we just typed. You need to highlight the word, and then you can change the size right here. You can also change the font. I don't know, there's a lot of fonts to pick from, so we'll just go with something. Make it a 2 and say OK. Zoom out and you can see it got a lot bigger. You can move it around wherever you would like it to go. Then once you finish that sketch, then you can do extrusions with it. So it will allow you to extrude it and just make it stand up. Like so. A lot of people ask the question, they'll put their text on there and they'll want it to face a different direction. So let's show you how to do that as well. So left click on the object. We'll say version 2. I'll make it shorter. While we're in here, we might as well highlight it and alter the size. We'll make this one 3 inches, and we will change the font up for you. We'll say OK, and that's what it looks like right now. Right click, that's how I got to that quick menu. Right click, say OK, and what we want to do is use this rotate tool to change the direction that it's facing. So we're going to click on rotate, and this window pops up. Basically it's telling you to select what you want to rotate, and then right here, after you select what you want to rotate, you're going to select a point to spin it around on. That'll make sense in a second. So I'm going to select this, and then I'm going to select a point. Now you can see I can spin it around on that point. So I'm going to make it vertical and say done. Right now it's in my changes font. If I look at it from different directions, so I scooted it out that way. I'm going to say finish sketch, and then I can extrude it. You can also instead of extruding it up, we can extrude it in as a cut. And that's how you add different text to your object. So play around with that, put some words on there, make it look nice. Feel free to change the colors. So if you left click over here in your browser, this browser is a very important tool. You can change the appearance very dramatically using all these different colors. So left click, and you can alter it that way. So the browser lets you change things, and it also lets you delete things. This guy is very important. If it ever disappears, you can come up here to view, and it's under user interface. A lot of students do that on accident. I'm not really sure how, but it happens. So view, user interface, and that'll get your browser back. Thanks for watching. I hope your changes version 1 and version 2 look amazing.